This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Welcome to Scrabble for Beginners. In this video, I will explain how to play this classic word game. To start, each player draws 7 letter tiles from the bag. The player whose tile is closest to the letter gets to go first. The very first word played must cover the center star square on the board. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth start to your game, setting the stage for all the word-building fun to come. During your turn, you can form words either horizontally or vertically on the board. Every new word you play must connect to at least one letter of an existing word already on the board. If you cannot, or choose not to, play a word, you have the option to exchange up to 7 of your tiles for new ones from the bag. Remember, blank tiles are incredibly versatile. You can use them as any letter you need to complete your word. Scoring points is key to winning Scrabble. Each letter tile has a specific point value, from 1 point for common letters to 10 points for rare ones. The board features special squares. Double and triple letter squares multiply the value of the tile placed on them. Even better, double and triple word squares multiply the score of your entire word. Plus, if you manage to use all 7 of your tiles in a single turn, you earn a fantastic 50-point bonus, often called a bingo. The game of Scrabble concludes in one of 2 ways. Either one player uses all their tiles and there are no more tiles left in the bag, or if no player can make a valid move for 2 consecutive turns. Once the game ends, each player subtracts the value of any unplayed tiles remaining on their rack from their total score. After these final adjustments, the player who has accumulated the highest total score is declared the winner of the game. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.